whether our Docker installation was correct. Docker run hello world. And the purpose of running this command is to get this error. And it is saying that permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon. And we are not able to run this command. You can see Docker images, and I'm getting the same error, Docker search Ubuntu, and I should be getting this error. So how can we fix this error? And the error is literally very simple. And you must get this error while you complete the installation of Docker, because I am using DevOps Molvi user to run the Docker command. So this error is saying that DevOps Molvi does not have the permissions to run Docker command. So I have to grant DevOps Molvi user the permissions to run Docker command. So there must be a Docker group. So first we should check sudo nano etc groups, and there must be etc group, and you must be able to see the Docker group. You can see it is just recently added, and I will add the DevOps Molvi user into the Docker group so that DevOps Molvi user can execute all these commands, all the Docker commands. And guys, if I go to root user, I would not be getting this error. Let's try for our learning. Sudo -i, and now I am in the root. All right, are you getting my point, right? So now I'm in the root, Docker search images, and you can see I am able to run this command, and Docker search nginx. I'm not getting any of the permission denied error. You can see we are able to search any image, nginx image. So I would be able to run any command using the root user, because root is a super user. But I want to run Docker commands with DevOps Molvi user, and I Docker search nginx, and I am getting this error. So if I use sudo, then I should not be getting this error, because DevOps Molvi is a super user with sudo, but I want to run without sudo. So the fix is simple. We would be adding sudo usermod -a capital G. We have used this command. If you remember, we used this command to add multiple users into a single group. So this command usermod -add group Docker and DevOps Molvi. All right, you can see that now I am modifying the user DevOps Molvi and adding it into the Docker group. Again, let me repeat it again. I'm modifying usermod command, and I want to add DevOps Molvi user into the Docker group. I have shown the Docker group in etc group. You saw the Docker group was added, and now if DevOps Molvi becomes the part of that Docker group, it will be able to run all the Docker commands without sudo, without any privileges. And now let me see the etc group file, etc and group, and you can see our DevOps Molvi user has been added into the DevOps group. So guys, we have learned a couple of things from this practice. First of all, we saw while installation of Docker was completed, and then a Docker group was available in etc group file. You can see this file, and we were not able to run any Docker commands with DevOps Molvi user if we were not using the sudo. And I want that my user can be able to run all the Docker commands without sudo, and we encountered the above error which says permission denied. So the fix was literally so much simple that we had to modify the DevOps Molvi user and we added it into the Docker group. I'm sure that this detailed explanation will clear the concept. So guys, now our DevOps Molvi user has been added to the Docker group. Now I should not get any errors while running docker run hello world. So I'm running this command without sudo and I want my command to successfully run. Oh no! What happened? You can see that I'm getting this error again. So we'll have to fix it. So the fix is I will log out from this terminal and I will try to log in again. This is a troubleshooting step, you can say. And DevOps Molvi, and I have to authenticate. Now docker run hello world, and it is running without sudo on my VM.